Yo, what you got though? What is that? Is that a stain?
That's a bullet.
You want to run it?
Race though on these streets because I already got a wreck on it.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. I was about to say you want to run it, but yeah.
Do the window. Bam!
Uh-oh.
I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. It's never gonna change.
It's never gonna change.